Hey there everyone. How's it going? Let's set up a review game here. What I have for you today is the Xbox's HDMI audio cable. What this bad boy does is, obviously, you plug it into the back of your Xbox with this cord right here. Then you will take your turtle beaches, because this is what it's mainly for. If you have Triton or anything else like that, you won't need it. But you take your headset, obviously, plug it in to the red one right here. The white one, plug it in there. Simple as that. You got your sound. But in order for you to get sound, what you have to do is you have to plug this in before you do anything else. As you can see right here, that I got it up at GameStop, but GameStop actually calls it the Xbox 360 HD and analog AV adapter. I picked it up for about $6. It really was inexpensive. I really needed it because I game with my Xbox, obviously, on PC monitor, HP's monitor. So I can't stand not having sound. It just drives me nuts. Maybe not to other people, but to me it does. So basically what I'm going to do with this channel as well is try to show you my game setup that I have here. I'm doing everything else on. Review a bunch of different products for you. Show you what they can do, what they should do, hopefully. And just do other little things. If there's anything that I need to do that you guys think I should improve on, leave a comment on my channel or this video. That's basically it. I just want to get my channel started off right. Keep everything short, sweet, to the point. I don't want to go into these long, 9-minute videos of every little detail. I'm going to give you the quick lowdown on what to expect. I won't do any unboxings, so for those of you who look for unboxings, I won't do them. I might, but I really highly doubt it. So, as you know, this is it. This end. That's basically it for this specific product. I highly recommend it because it's only, $6 on Amazon. You can find them for maybe like $2 and $2 shipping. That's a total of $4. Not a bad deal. But if you're like me and can't live without sound, or for my instance, my turtle beaches, then I definitely recommend this. There should be more videos to come, so I will hopefully get a lot of subscribes, likes, favorites, the whole shebang. That's basically it. I will see you guys around. Remember, like, subscribe, everything else. See you guys.